Now for example 2b, finding the derivative of this equation, y equals 3 minus 1 over x divided by the quantity x plus 5. What I want to do first is rewrite the numerator, 3 minus 1 over x. So I'm going to get a common denominator, and I'm going to have 3x minus 1, all of that over x, divided by our denominator of x plus 5. I'm still going to rewrite that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the denominator and siphon that out by itself and write that as a quantity 1 over x plus 5. Then I'm going to take my numerator and write that separately. 3x minus 1 divided by x. When I simplify this, I end up with y equals 3x minus 1 divided by the quantity x squared plus 5x. Now that I've got it into a much simpler form that I can work with, I can use this form to then apply the quotient rule. So again, I'm going to start out with y prime equals, I'm going to have x squared plus 5x, my denominator, times the derivative of the numerator, which is just 3, minus the numerator, 3x minus 1, times the derivative of the denominator, which is 2x plus 5, divided by x squared plus 5x, that quantity squared. Now again, I'm going to go ahead and use my distributive property in the numerator, so we'll end up with y prime equals 3x squared plus 15x minus, now sometimes it's helpful when you FOIL a problem out if you go ahead and put parentheses so that you make sure that you subtract the entire quantity. 6x squared plus 13x minus 5. All of that divided by our x squared plus 5x quantity squared. Now when I simplify everything again, I'm simply going to have y prime is going to be equal to negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 divided by the quantity x squared plus 5x, that quantity squared.